Everyone, this is Moses Shaban Sarika, and I am talking to you from Nakivale refugee settlement in Uganda. So actually we are here at SSPI, which is Shabani Social Progress Initiative. It is an immense pleasure to talk to you. I am talking to you as the founder and director of SSPI, and let me share a couple of things that we have been going through during this month. Recently we joined a new program of quilting, and the initiator of this program is Rian. She's trying to initiate this program here, and it is so much amazing. People are welcoming this training very enthusiastically, and actually what they are learning, it is important for protecting the environment, because what we do in quilting, it is taking the used clothes and the discarded fabric, put them in a system to be reused, reusing them, upcycling them, recycling them, in order to prevent our useful resources to end in the landfills. And this is very nice, but it's always hard to build something from scratch. Yeah, just young refugees with no much support, no much funds. Then that's why we are here, calling upon everyone with a generous heart who can support this program for saving the environment together. So stay tuned, and we shall keep you updated about what's coming. Thank you so much.